learners. In today's video, we'll be doing ratio. So what's the simple definition of ratio? Simple definition of ratio is how much there is something compared to another thing. So this is the simple definition of ratio. So here we have a very simple question about ratio. In a class there are 5 left-handed people compared to 25 right-handed people. Write this as a ratio. To write this as a ratio, first of all, we write the 5, then we do 2 dots, then we write 25. So this is how you write ratio. In a ratio, there can be more than 2 numbers, but usually there will be 2 numbers. And you have to write a number, 2 dots, and then another number. Or it could be a number, 2 dots, number, 2 dots, another number, and so on. So here we have a little hard ratio question. So the question is, so sometimes in ratio you'll be asked to simplify that ratio. So in this question I'm going to teach you how you simplify a ratio. In a class there are 5 left. It's good. I'm going to say use the same example. So here's the question. In a class there are 5 left-handed people compared to 25 right-handed people. Write this as a ratio in its simplest form. When this is written as simplest form, first of all we write down 5 to 5, and then we have to find the common denominator. So the common denominator of these two numbers is 5. And when we divide these two numbers by 5, it gives us 1, 5. Now we need to check, is there another, can we simplify it more? No, we can't. So the common denominator of these two numbers is 5, and when it's simplified, in the simplest form, it is 1, 5. So here we have a harder question that you'll get a lot on ratio. The question is, in a class in total there are 40 students altogether. The ratio girls to boys is 2 to 3. Find out how many boys and girls there are. So first of all we need to find out the 2 to 3. So which one represents boys and which one represents girls. The thing you need to remember about ratio is the thing or the person's name or the whatever comes first is the thing that comes first into number. Let me tell you how. So girls will be 2 and boys will be 3. Remember this. So then it says find out how many boys and girls are in the school. In order to do this question, the first step is to add the ratio, which is 2 plus 3, which equals 5. And then we need to divide that by the other number we got. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. And now we need times both ratios by 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 3 times 8 equals 24. Since 2 meant girls and 8 times 2 equals 16 and since 3 meant boys, 3 times 8 equals 24. So girls equals 16 and boys equals 24. So this is all about this video is all about ratio. I'll make another video about ratio. Bye. Thanks for watching.